Good evening everyone, and welcome back to Cask 529. Tonight we're going to make a beverage that I'm pretty fond of. We're going to make a whiskey sour. I really enjoy this drink. We don't drink it a lot here because Shauna can't have egg white. So I actually found a recipe that does not require egg white. That's the way we're going to make this one tonight. But if you choose to make this, you can go ahead and put the egg white in, and it'll just make it frothy for you after you shake it. I haven't had it without the egg white, so we'll see how it goes. I think it'll probably be pretty good though. So what we're going to use tonight is, we've got cherry and orange slices for our garnish. We're going to use simple syrup, some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Shauna just squeezed that for me a little bit ago. And they recommend a good quality bourbon. So we're going back to one of my favorites. We're going back to Bulleit Bourbon, which is a nice 90 proof sipper. I really like the Bulleit. I've said that before. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take our shaker cup. We're going to shake tonight. We're not going to cheat and stir. We're going to actually shake. I'm going to put some ice in there. Guess we won't overdo it. Now what they call for is 1 ounce of simple syrup. So we'll put that in there. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of the fresh squeezed lemon juice. That. Then they also call for 2 ounces of the bourbon. And again, we're using the Bulleit, orange label. And once we've got that in there, we will put the lid on. They say to shake for a full minute. We're just going to shake it and make sure we got a good shake in there. Get it chilled down good. Then grab a lowball glass. Put your ice in. This is a really simple one, really simple drink. I'm going to strain that in to the glass. And we'll do our garnish. We use Bourbon cherries. Great cocktail cherry. Put that orange in there, get a little flavor off of that. We'll see how that is. I don't think you'll even miss the egg white. That's really good, just like it is. So just to recap, guys, whiskey sour with no egg white. You're using 1 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and 2 ounces of a good quality bourbon. If you're watching along tonight, please hit that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. And we'll make sure that recipe's in the description. Thanks guys, and until next time, have a great night.